Across the Department of War, artificial intelligence is no longer experimental, it is operational. From the boardroom to the battlefield, AI adoption is accelerating at mission speed, but capability without infrastructure is a bottleneck. AI Telco Factory changes that. We deliver distributed sovereign AI infrastructure designed for the mission edge. This is not cloud first. This is edge first. With sub-10 millisecond inference, federal-grade resilience, and fully domestic sovereignty. From autonomous systems to next-generation uncrewed aircraft and AI-enabled naval platforms, faster intelligence, stronger systems, mission-ready AI, anywhere, anytime. AI Telco Factory. Infrastructure that moves at the speed of war.